Welcome to Cosmos Airdrop. Today we'll dive into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency to explore an exciting opportunity, the Spheron Network Airdrop. I am your host, Crypto Priest, and I will guide you through the step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. Now, this is what we're going to do in this video. We're going to sign up on the Spheron Network website, and I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video. Then you're going to register with my referral link and you're going to earn more points. Now, firstly, you're going to complete various tasks such as inviting friends, completing missions, and participating in the social media campaign. Then you are going to earn 1,000 points. That is when you will be eligible to the whitelist. Now you have to complete the Galaxy task. You have to visit the Galaxy platform, connect your wallet and other social media account, and you're going to complete this task so that you can claim the NFT which will be given at the end of the airdrop. Now you're going to claim this SPON token once this airdrop is being confirmed, and you're going to receive this SPON token. You can convert it into dollar, you can swap it, you can sell, you can distribute it whenever you want. So we're going to dive in without wasting much of our time. So before I continue with this, I would like you guys to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more updates and follow us on more discussions. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay alerted. Don't miss out on the future airdrops and crypto discussion. Hit up on that notification bell to stay updated, up to date. So what is this Spheron Network? Spheron Network, according to them, is a blockchain infrastructure that enables developers to build and deploy decentralized applications with easy. So their mission is to provide a scalable, secure and user-friendly infrastructure for the next generation of blockchain-based application. Now, what is this Spheron Network Airdrop? Now, this Spheron Network Airdrop is a promotional campaign that is designed to reward every adopter and the community members with their SPON token. Now, that is what you're going to gain if you participate in this airdrop. The airdrop aims to incentivize their participation, build a strong community, and drive adoption of the Spheron Network Airdrop. Now, I'm going to take you through the step-to-step procedure like I said earlier. So once you have clicked on the link which is on the description and also in the Telegram group, it is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, what you're going to do is to go ahead and sign up with your Google account. Now, once you sign up your Google account, you're going to see your page like this. Now, you have to participate and perform all these taxes right here. As you can see, I've performed one of the taxes right here, and I have mirror taxes for me to perform right here. So once I am perform these taxes, I am going to earn 1,000 points, and once I earn 1,000 points, I will be eligible to claim this one NFT right here. So once I have earned this NFT right here, I will be able to wait for the SPON token to get released. But guys, I would like you to right now I'm just kind of making this video. I would like you to go ahead and start performing this task, because in my next video I'll be talking about either the withdrawal or how you can swap the address or how you can participate in the Galaxy tax. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and perform all these taxes. So in the next video I'll be talking about how you can connect your wallet. So I'm not going to click on all these taxes so that we won't waste much of our time right here in this video. And most importantly, make sure that you follow their official Spheron Network media account for updates and announcements. Always be cautious of scams, and only follow the official link and website. So all the whole link that you will be needing will be right there on the description of this video. So that is it for today. By following these steps that I just mentioned well in this video, you will be well on your way to participating in this Spheron Network airdrop. Don't Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency and blockchain related content. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Join our community right there on Telegram for you to get more updates and discussions. Don't miss out on the future airdrops and cryptocurrency opportunity. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. See you in our next video.